Ebuwa go disgrace am for the evil. When he say Ebuwa don't die now. Now the woman can come out for Iyore platform say, now so Ebuwa can't get her picking. Ebuwa can't get her picking. You know say, that one not if you can judge again. That one not if you can talk again. That woman, that evil woman, where Ebuwa picking go meet for UK, he want to spoil Ebuwa name more for Iyore platform now. The time when Ebuwa they insult you, where Ebuwa see their life, you no can talk. You no can talk. You know say he go to disgrace you. Now Ebuwa don't die now. You say you be good mother, so you get children for us. You want to spoil them for Iyore platform. You say the time when they talk to you that time, you not even talk. You not even talk. You not even talk. Now we talk by now you want to talk because you know say the woman not fit can judge again. All those women, all those akunas, my party describe them for me. If I dey talk now, some men go the teaching at the better pass. It go reach all of my body. Last 10 years, where my woman divorced me, where he divorced me, all of my teaching on a better pass. You know reach all of my body at last. Okpa go be buhi. Now so my party me akuna is akuna. Person when he give you pikin, say carry go London for me. Now you the judge am. The time when the Ebuwa they talk for live video, the time when the Ebuwa they talk, where you call the trauma to you, where you carry picking, where you take a picking back. You don't come out for Iyore platform that time. You know say if you come at that time, Ebuwa will disgrace you. Now when Ebuwa don't buy now you want to call the talk for Iyore platform. Yo, akuna that woman wo agbayan wo bo wo ya le na akuna. Akuna can bring you down under 1 second. If you want to say akuna bad, now some of these women waiting for Germany. You're trying as your woman, you're telling say social benefit with the job so. Tell us you want to use and go say the house and the money. Now you with and born the pikin. He go say the house and the pikin. We want to go, they take the money, they buy with one, they take the pent He go say now he will come and disgrace the house and the money. Not be you with and born the pikin. The time we never get picky, he go Germany, go chop at the road. No. All these evil women will not follow my plan. Boyfriend, I did they follow the plan. Boyfriend. Where the boyfriend don't know their secret, does he take off from that boyfriend? Now, not see Iyore now. The time where Iyore for 2 serious for a life, he go stay with you both for 20-something years. He don't fail now. He dey put pepper body for everybody body. And Iyore go come and talk one thing, where go they talk for live video say you not do any, you know the find person trouble. You not do person anything, person call the insult. You insult your papa, Iyore, you insult your papa. Now many people they still they insult you today. The video where you do yesterday, or Saturday now get chance to plan. Saturday, Sunday, I know they go work. I'll come analyze the video for you. You know say that so almost what they talk. If almost want to go say he sleep with mama, I go for 31 days. He sleep with mama, I go for 31 days. Now I say this boys who have not to care where. You sleep for mama, I go for 31 days. The land when the court give you 3 flats, the house, the season, you the talk and finish. Now you know those things I don't wrong. Since then, you know it was he sleep with mama, I go for 31 days again. When I go to the house, when I go look the time we talk and see when I come to talk to her. Fear not, shame not the let her say he sleep with mama, I go finish, go 31 days. Because if you say you sleep with mama, I go for 31 days, I say talk and finish. Mama, I go see your 3 flats. You know, cause they talk am again. Iyore go come out now. I go to look all of now we be presenters. Me not be presenter. Iyore go to talk say not do anybody anything that they insult am. Oh, you pass allowed to if anytime when you on your phone. Ogbemi agbogi on buy. Oh, you not get peace. Anybody with the don't lay cause on porn. You not get peace for where we dey again. Go and look the history, they look at the comp. If you don't want to talk to Uyomba, let the person we go talk to them. So many children are still coming up. We dey for Libya, we go come see on live video for you, Iyore, if you don't know. Except you enter house. That's why you see anybody where they drive for palace or where they lay cause book for Benin. They know they hear their word. You see the year of Izobo. You see the year of the rest people with they drive for palace. As far as you still there for a do cyber space, you dey spoil our women. You dey destroy our women with your bad advice because you know if you go husband house, you could encourage the evil ones. Make them see come on for husband house. So all those people when they join you, all of them come beat you tomorrow. If I dey tell una say Iyore na bad person, I know they believe. Una not see wetin dey more progress. More progress if it's now Iyore friend. As Iyore say they fight for that life, they go quick call the video. But he disgrace and with the followers, they disgrace one follow, they disgrace and finish. That one come tomorrow, go say na a friend. He don't take that one change to drunkard for the whole world. He don't take and change to say na so woman I the beat. Because he tell us say he don't think they settle the matter. He disgrace that boy for nothing sake. Una never know Iyore. Tomorrow, why more progress go the beat and I go say he not do anything. He define viewer. He define viewer. Ask me whether now laying one people they look. How many viewer you get so? You will be Orionba. You will be Orionba. See what happen for this Ebuwa. Where Ebuwa may so rest in peace now. Wanna see the attitude, the evil acts where Iyore do for this Ebuwa video now. And never get chance to look video now, go to watch round. Only the person will go support her now because almost when this thing go leave that because tomorrow you go lick away. Now the only person will go support this evil act now. So Mona let me share the video may go viral. Tell no day yeah from 8:30 just now. I don't come out the Eta bush. I don't come out the Eta bush. But I want to make you understand. Iyore go come and go, they tell you and say, no, they do any person, you not do person, something. No. Orionba, no, they do something before they beat Orionba. If you don't want make people they talk to you again, if they pain you, say that they beat you for the atrocity, the evil way you do. You don't see Izobo. You see the year of Izobo, say they come out for social media because he don't change to Orionba. Other people, they like that. We don't change to Orionba, we they know they come out again for his house. You know, you see them for live video. As far as they follow us, they drag. Or you want to call them do chu. You the spoil woman waiting for husband house. Now so beat now people will they beat you every day because you be going back. You don't need to do something before people they insult you who go and lean. You don't need to do something before people they insult you. The BO Benin don't declare you Orionba. And they don't lay cause upon you. The video is here. The video is here. So more people when they come from Morocco tomorrow. They are still going to insult you. That you don't do the sorting. Now you find the trouble. And now you they find us trouble. Now you they find the good people, the good that do people trouble. The good that do people, now you they find their trouble. If you come out for this video, say Ebuwa come they insult and what you make Ebuwa insult you? Because you be Orionba, you be enemy of the kingdom. Now make Ebuwa come they insult you. You want to talk say all people when they insult you now they offer you are mad Iyore ugun yan gbo wa sun you are bomu we gbe Iyore no be omo say go eni wa sun we den we wa Orionba. You say you Ebuwa not do you anything. Wait till make Ebuwa come dey insult you. I can't play the video for you. Can't remember you. Can't play the course where they lay upon you. I can't play all of them for you. Now make Ebuwa come insult you. Now say Obana matter come at that time. You want enter now drive you come off for side. You say you not do Obana anything. Where you insult your own papa. You insult your papa. You say you not do Obana something. You say Ashawo like you like they talk to Iyore almost. Ashawo will not get brain. Because my papa said they don't get brain, they talk verbally. So as I go, they remember you now. The rest I shall wait, they follow you. But not get that they do meeting for that your platform. Though they know, say, you offend, you insult your papa. Now make people they beat you. Now you find trouble. Everybody's allowed to talk to you because you be Orionba, you be enemy of the kingdom. Who go and lean. Iyore. No man Iyore. You don't see your name. What Iyore? Where my Iyore near? You hang for one place. Now you hang for road. You not go, you not come. You hang for road. You see they call yourself Iyore. When my Iyore, who will listen we were? Who will listen we were Iyore? We marry Iyore no so we then we wa. I never get chance to beat you now. I dey come on Saturday for this video we do concerning Ebuwa. I dey come on Saturday come deal with you. What soon done evil woman for the society. Abuna not see the video we do. Person will all die. Nobody's 1 hour. This evil woman, this is Iyore woman, this is evil woman. Nobody's 1 hour. You get one woman waiting for UK, we say the woman bring children for her. The time when the woman there alive, when they do video 2 times for you, 3 times. Why you not come out? You say you don't want to talk. You still say the woman don't buy now. You can't come out. You want to tell Iyore, I know why you talk to her at that time. You want to come destroy the woman out of your jealousy. You there for UK, you the jealous person we don't buy. The time when that woman come out, why you not come answer her? Since you not answer at that time, you're not supposed to come Iyore platform. Come they show a picture, come they show a picking picture. Now you be the worst evil woman. You, we say you there for UK. You girl wherever you know, they UK now they okay. You girl we so come but my girl we so it's we not come members of Iyore no. No my Iyore na no argue you there. You argue one quarter. You marry Iyore, oh we Iyore. When are Iyore we no argue at this book, no argue Paris, no argue Abidjan. When you get the motor dinner. When I not see that evil woman. Abuna not listen to the video. I record and nobody want plan because time is not there. Now video when I will take time to explain more than 1 hour, 2 hours. On Saturday we will not dey go work. Now not say I not there for us. Since on Monday I not there for us, I there for travel. Front of the hotel. Now this so one show now the hotel where they lodge me put. One show now. One show now. Una see her. Una see her. Una see the hotel. I don't know say work. They carry person put for hotel. Atiti na only government they put person for hotel. I don't know say time they come with me work go see they put me for hotel. If I want spend 1 month I'll do for side hotel, they go they feed me. Now only water they take my money they buy. Food or cafe, this cafe when I eat now hotel. Now they go company go pay for it. Now only this water now I'll fit take my money buy. There will not be woman carry me go. You know say woman go carry you go hotel, go lodge you for hotel. But this one not be like that. Work now carry me go. Now only this water I fit buy. Even though I spent 1 year for it, now only this water I fit buy food, everything now they in charge. They won't wash my clothes now I'll pack and put for one place. They'll go wash them for Maggie and they'll come give me. I just see now all those government workers, the way they all those ministers, doctors, then they put for hotel. I don't know say person like me, Prophet Atiti, not be let them say carry me come here, not be let them say. Some people say now let them say carry me come here if they want to talk like tomorrow. But not be let them now work carry me come here. 9 o'clock just now they enter work. I do close 7:30. If I say come back in the evening, I'll come see do this. But tomorrow on Saturday, I'll come get chance to talk to you. This Orion bar and also where then I will know. So they don't break. They don't break now. Get up. Can't wait for us because 8:30 with the enter work, or 8:30, 9:30 with the enter work. So my people, if I look say the work good, I not come on for this village again. I just have a day for this side. Although the main town, therefore from here to the main town, it's almost 1 hour, or be 2 hours. You know, say now Gedu with the motor now we take called Gedu. Inside the village now we go to the body hotel. From here see go where one walk now. From here to inside town, almost 3 hours. From here go we want go to walk before we enter bush, almost 3 hours. So if I want chop afternoon food in restaurants, now they carry us they go. But one thing, I don't tell them for yesterday, this hotel will sleep. I say me they cook rice for me today. They say they know they cook rice. So if I reach where they go, the restaurants when I want for chop later, I tell them they make a pandenya for me. Hola. I say me they make pandenya for me. Oh, I say if I see careful to do, I tell her to me go find our house one for the feed they swallow. I need puree. You need the money be my ekomena. 63 days, he might me my, he might reserve. He me wo, so meat. So meat. A solo. You're the solo one. We go chop afternoon food yesterday, eh? Double food now they give us double food. They first bring this one. We first chop this macaroni with pan. They can go bring patatas with big meat. All year can they pay me. All year can they pay me. All year can they pay me. But meanwhile, if the money where they settle, if you reach, I go stay. If we don't talk, the money where they settle, if you reach, I go stay. If you not reach, I dey go, I don't feel loud now. So as I dey talk, and just tell my people, make una not vex. Work not get time for me to analyze video now. I don't get time to analyze video now. If I come for the time what they come, no chance again. Then or Saturday, Sunday, if I not travel, go Madrid. Because if I look on Friday evening, I feel go Madrid. On Monday evening, on Monday morning, I'll quick come. But when they look at first, if I not go, hola. If I not go, I will let you know. I'll sit there for inside hotel. They talk to una. Or I feel there for outside here. They talk to una. Cause I don't feel there for inside hotel for 24 hours. You're the day. Go be like say I know you're the sleep. So I'll feel there for outside here. They talk to una. So you know, I think all those officials, nurses, doctors, now they pay hotel for. I don't know say time will come. Where they'll see the pay hotel for me. Paper too good though. Go find your paper. Serious in your paper. Serious. Not go stay with woman, say woman will give you paper. Buckle up. If you are Italy, you are Germany, leave that place. If you are France, leave that place. Look for your friends where they tell you, say, see where they get paper easily. Don't waste your time in another place. Me, I know as everything. Where they seize my paper, people say when I come Germany, people say when I come France. I say I not go come up for here because here is the easiest place where you think we see them. Some of my brother will come up for Italy 3 years ago. We come up for Italy, come Spain. Many of them don't get paper today. They don't tell you the truth. When you ask questions. Work when I first work that day. That ties when I first do. I think saying that one better pass. When I go learn how to do ties, I think saying that one better pass. When I come this, I don't know see this one I see better pass that work. This one when I did now only the price. If they don't settle the price, I know they come up for you. Only one thing where they pay me for it, I know they see where they play my game again. He make enough again. He make enough. Except they don't give me more to just now. In the evening, as I close 7 o'clock, I just runs go inside town. I'll quick go do and come back. I'll quick go do and come back before I come sleep. That's why I go to do one. If I wish you. Or I feel put